And here we are in BoardGameBuddy, and let's score a game of Carcassonne. We go to Game Scoring, and we choose Carcassonne from our list of games that we've downloaded from the cloud, and we press Select. And here we can choose what expansions we're using. We like to use the Traders and Builders expansion, so we'll select that. Then we'll add some friends to our player list, and we'll start the game. And here we have all the scoring columns for Carcassonne. If you can't decide who goes first, you can always go to the menu, select Choose Who Goes First, and you can spin the dial if your device is on the table, or use the handy name randomizer. Taco's going first, and so we'll slide Taco to the top. Now, as you play the game, it's easy to quickly score your various features just by clicking on the appropriate scoring column. The Carcassonne game template makes extensive use of the multiplying scoring feature in BoardGameBuddy. So if Magnus were to score a road, he can quickly tap that. And if he has a 4-tile road, it defaults to 1 point per tile, and that gives him 4 points. For a city, it defaults to 2 points. If for some reason you're playing an expansion or you scored an extra feature where you get extra point, you can change the multiplier. And remember, we chose the Traders and Builders expansion, and that added these scoring columns here for the scoring of goods that you get when you complete a city. So here you can simply just tap on the scoring column to show how many of each good you have. And BoardGameBuddy will automatically figure out who has the most of each good and assign the appropriate points. If you want to know more about how the points are scored, you can always click on the top of the scoring column, and it'll give you a quick rundown of how the scores are calculated. Merle's going to score a monastery, and it'll be 9 points. And if you always just want to recap who made what move, you can look at the history, and it'll show you all the move histories. If you're finished the game or not quite done yet, you can hit the back and you can save it and exit. And that's scoring a game of Carcassonne in BoardGameBuddy. Thanks for joining.